the software is free. So anyone can just basically download it on Havelo.com and basically see for themselves, go and touch it, play it and eat it and use it, as we say in the tech world.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Blockmate Ventures Chairman Dominic Carozza. Dom, very good to speak with you. You're out with news today that Havelo has integrated with the Nozana network. Before we get into that, could you tell us more about Havelo for those that may not know it?
The best way to describe Havelo, we're like the Airbnb for your computer. Like on Airbnb, you rent out your room or your house. With Havelo, you rent out your computer resources, and so allowing people to generate passive income by effectively sharing their computer resources and creating a decentralized network on the blockchain.
So can you tell us more about Nozana and the benefits of this for Havelo users? Because it really is all about capturing the growth in AI, isn't it?
Yeah, AI is growing at an absolute significant rate. All I'm going to say is wait for the robots that are coming, and that's going to need even more AI. And so the deal with Havelo and Nasana is that Nasana is one of the leading GPU deepins, and without getting too technical, they basically power AI, and so we've now integrated that software effectively into the Havelo system. So the tens of thousands of users of Havelo are contributing to training AI models and getting paid for it. So it's really win-win all around.
So, I mean, it really is about the huge amount of computing power that's needed that's going to feed into that passive income for Havelo users, isn't it?
Absolutely. And what this deal does is that Havelo integrates what is called a DPIN. It stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Network. It's part of the Web3 ecosystem on the blockchain. And that's one of the highest earning DPINs in the space. So, what we're doing at Havelo is we're increasing our customer base and adding more and more DPINs and then letting AI optimize for maximum ROI.
Dominic, you also had a TG, so a token generation event recently. Can you tell us more about that and I suppose, the value to Havelo and ultimately to Blockmate Ventures?
Certainly, we did what is called a TGE, a token generation event. In the equity world, it's akin to an IPO listing on the TSX or NASDAQ, but obviously it's the crypto version of that. And as of today, our token's trading at just over 20 million US FDV, which is fully diluted value. And so that's really extra value within the Havelo group, just with regards to the token side, let alone anything else. And then obviously that translates into value for Blockmate shareholders, given that Blockmate on a fully diluted basis owns around 50%, 50% of Havelo. So it's very material.
Dominic, what's next for Blockmate?
We have a really strong 2025 planned. We're continuing to add more DPINs, growing customer bases, and we're working with a number of what I'm going to call mainstream opportunities. And over the next couple of quarters, we'll continue making announcements. We're going to be not just doubling, but tripling down on AI and the focus around AI. That's, as I mentioned earlier in my robot example, and that's we can have a separate segment just on the AI robots that are coming. But I think from a Blockmate perspective, I think this really adds tremendous amount of value, and we'll keep everyone updated. And in terms of Havelo, and just to be clear, the software is free. So anyone can just basically download it on Havelo.com and basically see for themselves, go and touch it, play it and eat it and use it, as we say in the tech world.
Well, it looks like we're going to be having lots of discussions in the months ahead. Thank you very much for speaking with us today.
Thanks for having me, Stephen.